Welcome to Whoozini. This short video will show you how to use Whoozini. Once you open the app, log in either with your Facebook or sign up using your email and then log in using that. First thing you will see is the most interesting part of Whoozini, scoops. Here you will see the map of the world and different interesting scoops scattered on it. Browse the map and enjoy experiencing them. You can also provide your reactions to them. And if you find something abusive, you can always report it to us. Be part of this fun discovery yourself and post your own scoop. Add a short title, description, and a photo or a video. That's it. Your scoop will be pinned to the location where you created it from. People from all over the world will be able to see it, but your real identity will not be revealed. Another interesting use for Whoozini is to find people near you. Create an avatar and advertise the avatar to people near you. Unlike scoops, the avatar travels with you wherever you go. You can switch it off anytime you want. You can also browse avatars of others near you or expand it to your city too. Now the best part. As you do all of these, you earn points. Like you post a scoop, you earn. You react to another scoop, you earn. Somebody else reacts to your scoop, you earn even more. That's it. Now go and start to discover the world with Whoozini.